Good morning, welcome to This Is a Man's World. Today I want to talk about something that's been bothering me lately. That something is speaking up or speaking out when you need to be heard. Okay, so if you already watch these videos, then you probably know that I'm 5.5 months pregnant. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. She doesn't look it. And up until now, work's gone pretty smoothly and I've not had any issues. Until last week. Let's just say things got a little bit too hectic with the job and I was really struggling, to be honest with you. I did a huge amount of hours and a ridiculous amount of travelling and driving in the car. Now, normally I manage my own time, but I do have to fit in a lot of other people's work, and sometimes your schedule gets all thrown out. But anyway, last week was ridiculous. Let me explain. Before I explain, take a look at how ridiculously dinky the size of this machine is. Looks like something you'd get in a Lego set. Okay, so let me explain. Last week I spent 28 hours driving to various jobs up and down the country. I got subbed out to another company to help them out, as you saw in the previous vlog. To put it in short, when I worked out my hours, it was crazy. Over 12+ hour days, and then a ridiculous amount of travelling. And I've done this in the past, and you just have to work with companies, and if they're struggling, get things done. However, I am 5.5 months pregnant. Did I say that already? Yes. And sometimes I don't speak up enough. Forgetting this pregnancy issue, not that it's an issue, just about other things that go on within the business, how I'm treated, how other people are treated, how things go. And it got me thinking, sometimes I feel like I don't speak up at the right times. Now don't get me wrong, sometimes I do speak up and I should keep my mouth shut. But this week I was physically and emotionally drained by the end of the week, and I realised that I'm growing a human and it's really important for me to be healthy and not stress out. And I thought, you know what, Michelle, you think about everything that might occur if you do speak up. For example, upsetting people, coming across as not being a team player, letting people down, worrying about people who might think that I'm not pulling my weight, etc. And actually that's crazy, because I went above and beyond. So, lesson learned, must speak out. Yes. So I sent an email, made some phone calls, and expressed my views about the amount of work done last week. More importantly, yeah, I spoke up. Perhaps need to do it more often and not have a fear of what the consequences are going to be. Because at the end of the day, I need to protect myself, because if I can't stay awake and be healthy, then I can't do the job. So, I guess the general theme for this video has been, don't be afraid to speak up when you're working, and speak out. If something concerns you, you need to let the people you work for know. This has been a really weird episode. Okay, so I'm going to finish it here. Subscribe if you like. Remember to speak up at work, and I will catch you tomorrow.